to hide the columns and rows that you don't need in Google Sheets can be important to just get rid of the mess and make it easier to organize. So I'm gonna show you guys something very cool today. I actually solved this to not do it manually because I want to also generate a PDF, which I made a video about, so check that out. And yeah, so how we're gonna do this is basically by using the make an API call, arbitrary API call to the sheet, and that's it. That's how we do it. So let me show you what we have here, and let's get on with this. 1 second, I'll just make it very good, easy for you guys to see. So let me tell you that I actually found this on a blog post, and it was pretty much how I did this. So, okay, here we have, let's say, a sheet, right? And from this sheet, we want to hide, let's say, we want to only have the last 14 columns, which would be, yeah, let's say these 15 columns, something like that, right? So the way you do this, I learned it from this guy. This is a Python code, but I actually fed it into my cursor. And by the way, guys, use cursor if you're not already. It's like the best goddamn app. There you go. So this is the code that it gave me back, and it actually works. Hidden by user. If it's true, then it means it makes it hidden, and if it's not true, then it just doesn't. So to turn this code, which is Python, into just a JSON file, which is the normal format the API of Google is expecting, I just fed it in and it turned it into a JSON file. So it's basically the same request, but it's just this is in Python, and I actually posted it also, my solution here on Stack Overflow. So the way it looks now, as you can see, for example, here, if we just click run, it's gonna append a new column. So let's put this on this side. Yeah. Okay. So let's click run. You're gonna see it will append a new column, and then now it's reading the name of the column because later we're gonna use that to fill in the data. So now it's gonna add in all the formulas, which is another thing we built for this client. And now it's gonna hide the last 14, or it's gonna hide everything but the last 14. So let's see how that works. It's still running, as you can see. Oh, beautiful. What a work of art, isn't that? I love this, man. I love this. I'm so proud of every little detail that gets built here. I don't know, it must be something genetic or some shit. I just love building shit. Okay, it works. That's why this is something that I love now, and you can do the same. So go ahead, go down below and download it from my Gumroad. I'm gonna put this snippet there, but you already see it. You can see, if you search it on Google now, maybe on my Stack Overflow, you will see it also. And this is how you hide rows and columns. If you want to hide rows, most likely, let's just ask cursor, what if I want to hide the, I know you guys can see this, maybe like this. Yeah, okay. What if I want to hide the rows? Would I just change dimensions? And it probably is, like, you just put rows and then the index would, yeah, exactly. So look, if we just change the columns to rows, then you can hide the rows. So this is very useful, guys, very useful. And if you want to make it more complicated, you can filter by the dates here, and you can say any date that is before, etc., or after, etc., or any name or any client which has the status this, hide them, and your sheet is gonna look clearer, and then you can go and export that and use it the way you want to. So if you're enjoying this video, click right here and watch this other video. Wait, yeah, click right here, watch this other video, and subscribe. Talk to you very soon. Bye bye. If you need something like this made for you, custom made also, feel free to reach out. You find my email below, and I'll be happy to help you in any way I can. Have a good day. Bye.